The HOOBRO LED TV Stand BB47UDDS01 is a modern piece featuring a customizable LED light strip with 24 color options to enhance your living room's ambiance. With a built-in charging station, it offers 2 AC outlets, one USB-A and one Type-C port, providing convenient charging for all your electronic devices. This entertainment center is designed to support televisions up to 65 inches and offers ample storage with its 4-tier open shelving, making it easy to organize media devices. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and high-grade particleboard, this stand is built to last, supporting up to 154 pounds on top and 33 pounds per shelf. The industrial chic design combines modern and rustic elements, featuring a matte black iron frame and rustic black shelves that complement various home styles. Assembly is straightforward with clear visual instructions and all necessary hardware included, ensuring even beginners can enjoy the DIY process without hassle.